Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can complete your profile on the Stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Stake app. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, what we have to do, as you can see, after creating your account, you will be able to see this verify your start account and investing. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to verify a few steps like still about your employment status. So let's click on this and we need to verify this. So let's click on the continue and let's click on the start here again, and we have to choose like the business income investment, and let's say business income, and let's click on the continue here. Less than 80, for example, how much do you plan to invest in the next? I'm going to select this one here, so let's click on the continue again. Employee, self-employed, homemaker, retired. So let's say self-employed here, then click on the continue again. Industry, we have to choose it. For example, I'm going to choose this technology. So you can choose whatever is suitable for you. So let's choose this one here. Select your role and we have to choose any of them. For exec manager, let's click on the continue here. So as you can see, we have to provide the business name here. For example, I'm going to write my business name here, H6. So after providing these details, we have to provide the business address here. So now after providing these all details, we have to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, as you can see, we have provided all the details. Simply we have to click on the continue again, and after that then we have to follow the next step, and we have to provide the details like we have to provide verify our identity. So we have to provide this, and then we have to verify our address, and then our profile will be ready to use. So in this way you can verify your profile and completing your information. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.